KR House by RAVSTUDIO in Morelia, Mexico. KR House is situated on a semi-urban plot surrounded by imposing ash trees, aiming to seamlessly integrate with its surroundings. The residence takes on an L-shaped form with 2 volumes of different scales, embracing an extensive garden patio where the fusion between the boundaries of each space and the tree shade becomes a key design element. Prioritizing a family-friendly atmosphere, 2 sections were designed. One single level housing the integrated social area encompassing the living room, dining room, and kitchen, opening towards the patio and allowing dual use of the terrace. The second, spanning 2 levels, accommodates the children's rooms, a TV area, and the master bedroom on the ground floor, reserving the upper level for a studio and the eldest child's room. In the outdoor area of this second level, a design workshop was incorporated with separate accesses, one from the house and another directly from the street. This workspace features a previously existing mobile structure, which was relocated to function in tandem with the project yet retain its independence. The house was built using local construction systems, employing brick and cement for the walls and reinforced concrete for floors and roofs. This conscious choice of local materials aimed to optimize resources and blend contemporary design with local craftsmanship. Wood and exposed brick elements were strategically placed in the garden and interior, aiming to provide greater warmth and add textures that enhance the interaction between spaces, strengthening the connection with the surrounding nature. Emphasizing garden views and interior elements, the intention was to allow tree shadows and foliage to visually merge with every corner of the house. This fusion of architecture and nature aims to create ever-changing atmospheres throughout the day and seasons, enriching the experience for those residing here. Every detail was considered to offer not just a functional home, but an environment that inspires comfort and connection with its surroundings, a residence that embraces and celebrates its context in every aspect of its design.